You really disappointed me. How could you, my friend? Oh, God. Anita, don't you know Alaji and Nana are friends? Don't you know? I know. Stella, I know. But Nana wouldn't let it be. I know. This is shameful. Very disgracing, my friend. I mean, how could you sleep with two friends at the same time? Anita, how could you? You must understand me too. I was pushed. Besides, I thought Elijah was out of the country, not knowing it was a setup. It wasn't a setup. The meeting was postponed. Even if he had traveled, he didn't have to go ahead and sleep with his best friend. I'm confused. I don't... Confused. I don't know what to do. I'm even trying to reach him, but his phone is switched off. I know Alaji. He's a very emotional person and I believe he's hurt. So he will do anything to avoid you. Better find him and apologize. Because you know without Alaji you are nobody. What do I say? What do I say? Just make up a good lie. I mean, anything to cool him down. And do it fast before it's too late. Remember how? When you're going somewhere, now you know when you're going somewhere. Yes, and about you. Like it? Wow. Hey, yeah, this is class paradise. Really? Oh, God. Mom, you look disturbed. What is wrong?
Nothing. I'm just feeling tired. That's all. In fact, finding a school for you wasn't as easy as I thought.
So, am I going to start?
You just arrived. Oh, relax. Relax yourself a bit. We have more time to talk about your school and other things as well. Just relax.
Mommy. What about Dad? Are we going to leave him all by himself in the village?
Oh, I can see you didn't come here to learn. But rather to poke your nose into things that are irrelevant, right? As far as I am concerned, listen, your father is history, and I am not ready to learn history now. Can keep your feelings to yourself. Excuse me. Yes, sir. Okay, Juma, no need to have a convention. No need to have a convention. And to have a piano. Next year, we be actually in another. Sorry, father. Hey, come on. Come here, and let me go show you to your room. Come on. Come on. Don't stop asking me questions about your father. Straight, go. Go straight, that's your room. Put your things there.
And I'm for me and Wafa wamwe Asiani se mankantra use kunumieno Edituo Wagwani muase Afena usuna tane wajwenjune Ani arewo Usi apini Efri suba moniti na wena mane.
But you should have told me that you were moving with my friend. You should have told me.
Nana, I'm sorry.
Indeed, you should feel sorry for yourself. As you can see, I cannot move with a woman with multiple lovers like you. Alhaji is my friend and a very good business partner as well. I cannot look at you to stand between the two of us. No, I cannot do that.
No, I can assure you, from this very moment, I will have nothing to do with Alhaji.
That is your problem. As I have said every now and then, I am no more interested in this relationship, period.
No, you can't say that. Just give me a second chance.
I said there are a lot of men out there. You can go out there and then pick amongst them.
No, it's you that I want.
Me? Nonsense. You thought you could make the two of us at the same time. You see, woman, I don't have time for you. I don't have time for you. Fine.
Yakana wentia. Wokwantia di sese di awaji weniso. Mafuadu wadapati. Wani maguasi. Ewo wafuo mobiemu a omu ubiem. Anasuma moniti. Wajama mwe. Ane wari wadiama wen maguasi pa. Nasia ni sen. Kewusubeye. 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 Na fatao. Kewusubeye. Mabra Kewusubeye. Mabra mani di amisia. Na fatao. Kewusubeye. Ene na fuachi. Kewusubeye. Na fumoni. Ade ubekwa kusio. Na fatao. Kewusubeye. Kewusubeye.
I can't sleep. I can't do anything.
How can you sleep?
Oh, I can't eat. Oh God. Just I've tried all I can to apologize to them, but none of them is willing to accept me back. I don't know.
You know something? I will advise you lay low for some time. I know them. I know them. I know one of them will definitely come back. But please pray hard.
If you say so.
Okay. They are all hurt. Pray hard, please.
But I'm praying that Alhaji changes his mind and then comes back. Sweet, I can't afford to lose that man.
So you knew you cannot do without Alhaji. See what you did. But pray.
Oh God. So, na ye day. Me huni yanka. Na pa ho. Bon sam kro jeje me pa di eraji. No dey. Omo free me fear na so omo free he.
Bon sam te no ane.
Stop.
Just one will use to.
Oh, for cause some food is really not about us. Oh, it's the mania brand here.
Afena usuna tane wa twenjune. Ani arewo. Usi apini. Every suba money tina wa mane.
According to this sheet, I need some money to buy some leaflets and some other things.
Diamond, I don't have money. I'm disturbed. I don't have money at all. I told you to wait. I'll lay my hands on something, but you wouldn't listen. I don't have money.
Mommy, this is not fair. Does that mean I'm not going to start school today?
What will happen if you don't go to school today? There are more days ahead.
No, but I want to start today.
Don't disturb me because I don't have money. I don't want to be disturbed at all. You wait, I'll see what I can do. I told you I have to go around and lay my hands on something. Don't come and disturb me. Don't come and disturb me at all.
It's not fair. You're not being fair to me. It's not fair.
It's not fair. Because what's in one it?
Diamond, I've been meaning to tell you this. Do you know you're a very, very beautiful lady?
I know. Everybody keeps telling me that.
Wow. Okay, so I'm not the first. Can you find a place in your heart for me?
Meaning?
Come on. You've grown up, you know what I'm talking about. love you. And I want to marry you.
That can be possible, Brother Larry.
Why not? Why not? Come on, I'll take good care of you. Very good care of you. I'll help you with your education. You know? Just think about it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. To even prove my point. Yep. I want you to have this. I'm proving my point.
Oh no, I can't.
No, come on. Take it. Come on.
Oh no.
Come on. Okay. We shared it 50-50.
Thank you.
So you go in there, change. I want to take you out.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right. Try not to be too long.
This money.
Brother Larry gave it to me.
For what?
He said he loves me and he wants to marry me and take care of my education. Isn't that great?
Diamond, have I told you I cannot look after you? Have I? Oh, you've started collecting money from people, eh? Brother Larry gave this to you and you were so happy over it. For what? Diamond, be cautious of city men. Be cautious of city men. They will start giving you this for toffees and biscuits and whatnot, followed by lefty and then lanchy. You were happy over it. Come on, give me the money. Give me the money at once. Let's go. Where is he? Follow me. Hey, Larry! Come on, hurry up. Hey, where is he? Larry! Where is he? Hey, Larry, or whatever you call yourself, stay out of my daughter's life, right? I don't want to see you with my daughter again, okay?
I don't understand.
You will not understand too. And what is this? Huh? What is this? Nonsense. Have I asked you to cater for her for me? Are you the one going to look after her at school? Fool.
But mommy, Brother Larry is a nice young man. He has promised to marry me.
Will you shut up? What do you know about marriage? What do you know about marriage? What will be that? What will be that? On what day was your baby brother? Since your children, my chest are day. Baby, try to know my child. Oh, Baba, you fool. Crazy. Let me see you with my daughter again. You see what I'll do to you. No. Why just say those sisters can? What teams are going to say? And all the baby can know my child. Idiots.
Wajama mwe ane wari wajama wen magwasipa na siani sen yewusubeye na fatao yewusubeye wabrapa nobramoni dia mesia na fatao yewusubeye na fuachi na fumoni adubekwa musio na fatao yewusubeye
What is good about the evening? Look at your time. What says the time now? What do you want from me, woman? Haven't I warned you never to come after me anymore? And that the relationship between us is over?
No, I think we can sort this out once and for all.
Oh, I don't understand you. Now tell me, what do you want me to do for you?
You know how things are bad for me now. You are the only person that caters for me in my life.
Me, the only person. What about my friend, Alaji? Isn't he the one who hired the flat for you? Isn't he the one? Tell me.
Mom, let's not start this thing again, please. I said I'm sorry. It was a mistake. I mean, can't you forgive and forget?
A mistake indeed. Listen and listen good. I am sick and tired about you following me all around. Get it into your head. It is over between us. Period.
You know I can't stay away from you.
I see.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes I just can't think about what you think about me. What do you take me for? Thank you. Never come near me again.
And I'm for me and one.
Yes, I have to.
I see any man can't try to say, Kunumiano. Edit work. What one him was it? I found out who sooner than a white internet. And the Arawa. Who's the happening? Every sober money in our money. Now we are done here. That was super, yeah. That was super, yeah. That was super, yeah. Now, Fatau. That was super, yeah. That was super, yeah. That was super, yeah. Now, Fatau. What am I way? And now I reward you, my way, my gossipa. Now, see, and say, that was super, yeah. That was super, yeah. That was super, yeah. Now, Fatau. That was super, yeah. That was super, yeah. That was super, yeah. Now, Fatau. That was super, yeah.
Anita, when you mean you miss, I say, how are
you? The school payama no makofane fi brasi aba sika way alaji me na na so ejeba ni say ma na chewa ba obi enfi me
nti be so ka chem alaji na no mu bie no baba
ntimi ntwa ntro ọma banga ntimi ntwa ntro kama ka chiro ama na ho chiri mi o
no mo chiro
say ka we cry me yo the best source and grab baby kakra mama chire ya kasa oh now she's a chire me wow
say you have been having
2 million I'm thinking of kakra a police school graduate we hear me kiss
ya she nyame o you are the
manage this for the start, and by the end of the month, I'll sort you out with the rest, okay?
Oh, Mommy, thank you so much.
Welcome. I just want you to just learn for me.
Mommy, I promise I'll do just that.
Do you have something at the kitchen? I'm really famished.
I brought some yam. It's to be left just here.
It's plenty. I'm really famished.
Mommy, the landlord was here. He said I should tell you that you're trying his patience. This house.
I will leave this house. Have you eaten already?
long. 6 months isn't a small time for you to pay my rent. Madam, 6 months. 6 months? Ade! Huh? And in fact, I want my money.
You give me a few months. I'll settle everything.
What for? 6 months. 6 months. 6 months. Ade! If you are on the block, boss. Huh? What we start coming to me say I thought I don't say that. I'm giving you an ultimatum for 3 days. Oh. You are bringing my or you are leaving this house.
3 days.
I bet 3 days or you are leaving this house.
Please. Oh.
Let me tell you this. It's because of this girl that I'm being lenient here. You understand? In fact, the very next time I come to this. Alright.
No, you know what? If you
how dare you more? How dare you more? You give your little daughter to me. A responsible man like I am. You shouldn't have a married man. And I know you're irresponsible. If thou hast even angered me more, I'm giving you 3 days to bring me my money. Or I will vacate you from this room. I bet you, I will vacate you from this room. Your last warning. Your last warning.
Na mi asa me kwasa mado pa na me sambe say wi ase we bi landlord on Caslands grammarian landlord me tine ni fie bi o mo da hey
mi yanka na so na kachio we e bribia e are ni ye moria si e ubeku enu ana ubetwa e are ni ye obi nua kwadu nkwocha bode eyare niye obrabo ni se wo bro penti eyare niye bisi hwe onafo fam ye wati eyare niye wo ya bone a edi wani mu nti eyare niye wo ya papa nso asa eyare niye abrabo wewe ya mama mi nua.
I've been to your office several times, but I'm not permitted to enter. And when I call to, you don't pick it. I just had a tip-off that you were here. That's why I followed you here.
You had a tip-off that I was here. That's why you followed me here. Anita, I thought you could move on with your life without me. Huh? Why the bother?
Alaji, I know how difficult it is to forgive a woman you love. I mean, to see her in bed with another man. I know how difficult it is to forgive, but please, forgive me.
Oh, not just another man. Not just another man. That man was my personal friend, and apart from that, my business client. You should have known. Why? What do you want me to do now?
See, the time for the house you rented for me has expired, and the landlord too is on my neck. I have nothing, virtually nothing on me, so I'm just pleading with you so that you pay for me.
You sound very funny, very, very funny. You should have known before going to sleep with a man. Anyway, I don't have money. These days, business is so bad, I don't have money to be throwing away like I used to do. Not even a dime, Anita, not even a dime, okay?
Oh, Alaji, see, please, even if you don't love me anymore, please, you pay this one for me, just for the last time, please.
Ha ha, ha ha ha, ha. You're wasting your time. I don't have anything for you. And let me tell you, I have some important things to do, okay? So just leave me in peace.
Alaji.
fact, seeing you, I'm lost for words, you know. I'm completely lost for words, honestly. Seeing you has made me lose a heartbeat. What's your name?
Diamond.
Diamond? Oh, you're so beautiful. So beautiful. Your name is equally beautiful. Look at you, warm hair, big brown eyes, tender toes. You know what? You're very, very beautiful.
Wow, you're making me blush.
Yeah. You are like an angel never seen before. Huh? So what do you do then?
I'm a student.
Student? I see, and is that all? Oh, in fact, I wish I could get closer to you, get to know you more, and probably get together with you. Anyway, if you want to know, my name is Alhaji Abdul Mumuni Salam. And my friends call me Alhaji Jegede the Big Fish. I have money. I'm a businessman and I'm a statesman. Wow. Yes, so I can do anything and everything for you. Yeah. Diamond, the way I see you, the way you are, I wish I can marry you. I wish I can have you for a wife.
Oh, I'm just a student. And besides, my mother would never ever agree for you to marry me.
Your mother? Why? Is your mother a difficult person?
My mom is such a difficult woman.
I just told you I am Alhaji Abdul Mumuni Salam. People call me the Big Fish. Me, when the coins are falling, the dollars are flying. Look, you know what? I want to see your mother. I want to see your mother today so that I can talk to her. You are so beautiful. I don't want to lose sight of you.
Oh, my mom is difficult. Stop it.
Please, let me meet your mother.
Why? No, my mom is such a difficult woman. Please understand.
I want to talk with her. I can handle it. Let's go and see her, please. Do this for me. Do it for Alhaji, okay? Oh.